What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And I already told you on Monday in the stream that we got a huge delivery and we are loaded with new styles and also restocks. And today I have a lot of variety for you guys. So we got hockey, we got MLB, we got NBA, and we got some NHL restocks and a new colorway that I would like to introduce you today. Without further ado, let's go into this and let's start with some hockey hats. And you know, they came a little bit late in, but I don't mind because they are absolutely great. So we got now the A-Frames versions coming in from the 4 nations, and these two were missing. So here is Team Sweden, beautiful with this puck on the side. And then you got a gray UV, black guts, and on the back you got this royal blue snap. So Team Sweden is in, and the second one, and this one is great too. I love both of them. So I've already secured them. Is Team Finland, and you also got here the puck, and you got this one with the chrome dome, and then this oceanside blue here. And look at this fantastic logo in the front. Beautiful hat. Also, Oceanside Snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, Team Finland and Team Sweden. And that's not enough. So I wanted to add another Circle Anaheim Ducks because I know you guys love that. And this time in a beautiful colorway in maroon with the 10th anniversary side patch. And then you got the Circle Anaheim Ducks logo in the front, rich yellow, green, maroon, with a maroon snap on the back, 2 gray UV and black guts. So this beautiful hat is also added this week to Topperzstore. So let's go ahead. I want to show off next. I'll come to the NHL restocks later. I cannot decide what I'm showing up next. I want to show you something special, okay? Let's start with special things. Back in the days, we already had this collection, and now we are bringing it back. 2 hats, ripstop brims, and we have 2 NBA ripstop brims, and we wanted to make it with script logos in the front, and this is really cool. This is a nice hat for summertime. So you got here the lake show, and the whole front here is made of ripstop, super lightweight, and then you got the black soft mesh on the back with a black snapback. Here we got the lake show, gray UV and black guts. Super nice, super wearable. You will absolutely love that. Ripstop is such a cool material and it works perfectly on these hats. And the second one, it screams even more summer, right? Is the Miami Heat one. And look at this fantastic script in the front. Beautiful, a little bit shiny with that ripstop. Super nice hat for summertime and even when it rains, you know. Ripstop is always a very cool material. All right, so let's go ahead. Chrome domes. We got 2 new chrome. No, we got 4 new chrome domes, but they are in separate drops. So you will get new hats every day at Topperzstore. You know that. And every time we have something new, we upload it to the store. And follow us on Instagram and you will see the latest releases. We have multiple accounts. Just go to our link tree on Instagram and then you will find all the accounts where you can be updated the whole time, or you visit our Discord. You will find the Discord link directly down in the description, and there are a lot of crazy guys like me and you which are collecting hats. So this is the first one. It's the first time that we are using that splatter logo, and we wanted to make it really cool with this golden splatter in the back, chrome dome, black button visor, and then the logo in the front with black and red. And then you got this beautiful All-Star Game 2000 side patch, black snap on the back, gray UV and black guts, the Atlanta Braves All-Star Game Splatter Edition. And now this one is one of my favorite. I mean, all these chrome domes are so nice, right? Look at this beautiful Astros, super clean. A lot of you guys requested that. We got an Astros with the black star, and then you can see this sparkling outline around the H with metallic pewter, beautiful. And then we got this 60 years side patch, absolutely nice combo. You can wear this hat every day. Black snap on the back, gray UV, also black guts. So we got a new colorway, which is called Mango Mocha, together with Oceanside Blue, Navy Blue. And look at this beautiful color combo. This looks absolutely amazing. And we made 3 hats out of this. So the first one is the LA Dodgers. Super classic. And this looks so good in hand. You won't believe how cool that colorway is, right? Then you got this Dodgers First World Series on the side with gold, also with blue. And then you got also this blue, dark blue snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. So that's the LA Dodgers. The second one is this beautiful Boston Red Sox, metallic gold outline. Pops it really great off that hat. And then you got the Fenway Park side patch, beautiful, home of the Boston Red Sox, also with the golden outline. This is probably my favorite of the pack. Oh my god, this is such a great hat, right? And last but not least, we got the Battle of the Bay World Series 89 side patch with the San Francisco Giants, and a lot of details also here in that side patch. It goes so well together with that front logo. It's an absolute beautiful hat. And this color combo with this mango mocha together with this navy blue looks absolutely amazing. Gray UV, black guts also on this one. So this is the first part of this pack. And if you guys like that, we probably bring more in that colorway. All right, so let's go back to NHL. And I promise that some of your most favorite hats are going to be restocked by the end of the week, and those 4 NHL A-frames are coming back, so they get a restock. First one, of course, one of the best teams. Nah, it's the best team in the world, the Red Wings, my favorite team. Then you got this beautiful Chicago Blackhawks, also two-tone red and black. You got the Toronto Maple Leafs with the 75th anniversary forever side patch, also beautiful hat. And last but not least, a lot of you guys were requesting a restock on this beautiful Oceanside Blue Walnut combo. And those 4 hats are coming back, I guess, on Friday on the site, right? So, last but not least, we got a double pack which is releasing on the weekend for you guys who love flags, right? And this is a Dodgers double pack. And look at these 2 hats. Both chrome domes and both have beautiful large flags on the side. The first one is this in Mexico colorways, Los Dodgers with the Mexican flag, and also here chrome, and this beautiful Kelly green, super nice color combo. Kelly green snap on the back, a gray UV, black guts. This is the Los Dodgers with the Mexican flag on the side. And then we got this beautiful color combo kanji with gold, dark graphite. This looks absolutely crazy. It's such a nice color combo. It looks really, really good. Then you got the Japanese flag on the side. You got a dark graphite snap on the back, and then also here a golden LA. This pops off like crazy. So these 2 Dodgers hats are also dropping this week at Topperzstore. Let me know in the comments below what were your favorite hats that I've shown off this week, and let me know which teams you would like to see next. And if there are some hats that are sold out and you want to have a restock, let us know. Write us a message. The customer service team is always here for you. Or you can also reach me directly at Petlanta24 on Instagram. I would like to thank you very much for tuning in. And I have just one thing that I would like to ask for. Hit the subscribe button. This will help the channel a lot, and you will be part of the best hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And if you like the video, of course, also hit the like button. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope to see you again on Sunday when I'm showing off my top 3 fitted hats from this week from Topperzstore USA and Topperzstore, and as well on Monday when we have the next live stream, Cap Talk episode 185, and it's going to be crazy because we got so many new hats and I don't even know where to start. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you can enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out. Bye.